What's up guys? Today is an exciting day because the GT4 is getting tinted. We already wrapped it with XPEL paint protection film, but tinting is my favorite part. That's how I started this business. That's what I've been doing for 10 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. We're doing the XPEL Prime XR 20%. So that's a ceramic tint to block out a lot of heat, 20%. And then we're also gonna be doing the windshield in a clear film that also blocks lots of heat and UV rays. I don't know if we're gonna get to the windshield or not today, but definitely gonna tint the rest of the car. For the record, I would never set tools on the roof of a customer's car, but A, it's my car, and B, it's fully wrapped in paint protection film, so it doesn't matter. Here it is, guys. The GT4 is done. It is tinted with 20% tint all the way around. Everything looks better with tint, including this car, of course. Now I'm going to be a lot more comfortable driving the car. The air conditioner is going to work more effectively, and the interior is protected from UV rays, so fading and things like that aren't as much of a concern anymore. If you guys are enjoying the GT4 content, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up on this video, and let us know in the comments what your favorite part of this car is. Thanks a lot for watching.